Zhooterz. Zhooterz, it's Mission Impossible on the mobile phone. Next. So the idea is you create a game, add friends, assign targets, and play by capturing targets on your mobile camera. And all these things are done on your phone. So it started as an idea, but we executed it in a day. We built a playable prototype. We played it yesterday and today. And we found it to be compelling, we found it sticky, we found it to be exciting, and it's also unique because there's nothing out there like this game out there right now. Next. So we played this yesterday. These are some of the shots that we took from the app itself. We've got an iPhone and an Android apps running. Next. So we plan, our business model is going to be on a subscription basis. We plan to offer 1 month free trials. It's going to be a free app on the App Store and Android market because we want to make it easy for people to try out, and we believe that it's exciting and compelling that they'll continue playing. We're targeting students and young professionals looking for an escape into a fantasy world of excitement and danger. We believe the US, Europe, and Japan present the biggest opportunities. Our initial markets are gaming, cosplaying, and Comic-Con communities. Stickiness. We can make the game sticky by adding variations. Aside from the hunter-killer missions that we already have, we can have courier missions, scavenger hunts. We can also do tie-ups. Imagine playing Amazing Race in your own city alongside the TV series. The game can expand and be customized into a lot of other possibilities. Next. The team. The team that built this built an idea into a playable prototype on an Android phone and iOS iPhone in 1 day. And we played it last night and this morning. And we worked well together. We have strong development skills. We're passionate about games. And finally, we need social media marketing to turn this app viral. We know this will work because we tried it and we want to keep playing it. Thank you.
And learning is about listening. Last night, we again learned that important lesson. So last night, we decided to drop our project and listen to our mentors, and we started a new one this morning. Okay. But more than that, it's good to learn from your peers. And so we decided to create a new project called Peer View Me, which simply means peer review of related materials. Anyway, what is the problem that we are trying to solve? We have all experienced when we were in school that sometimes school questions are incorrectly praised or actually completely erroneous, or the answers are wrong. Who basically is responsible in checking the teacher's exam before it is administered to the students? Okay. If there is a system in place which is responsible for checking the teacher's exam, is the current system accurate and responsive to the needs of both teachers and learners? And better yet, for school administrations and other testing institutions, is the system effective and highly efficient for the administrative concerns of the education institution or a similar office? Okay. The solution is, why not create a system for peer review of education and related materials? It's too complex, so we will only concentrate on test questions. But there are two prerequisites One is we should have a test bank, working and complete with different features, and a specific social network which would cater to the community of your peers. The good thing about it is that we have a working, tested, and running test bank that generate paper-based and computer-based tests. And we have a dedicated social network focused on learning ready to be launched in the first quarter of 2012. And third, we have a PeerViewMe is cloud-based. Now, the test bank that we have been using and has been used by a number of schools and students in the Philippines is the questions management system. Okay, that's it. If you want a demo later. And then the social network that we will be launching in the first quarter of next year is Builder. It is a dedicated site for PeerViewMe. Okay, here's the mock-up PeerViewMe homepage. And exams, the test bank would be, it will be put here in the apps. There will be exams will be placed there, and then there will be a connection, and the exam questions will be sent to the social network where peers are basically have relationships. So there are mock-ups there. Okay, okay, how the business method? Free use for individual basic accounts, for a fee for a premium accounts, software as a service for higher education institutions, testing centers, and similar institutions. Customer validation, previous inquiry from 5 higher education institutions in the Philippines, First Aid Faith, Arellano University, CEU, South Mid International School, University of Assumption, and the startup mentor hinted that the project is better than what we're doing, and he expressed his desire to discuss the project right after this event. And thank you, the clients are these.
We are Startup Weekend Online. And our goal is to bring this Startup Weekend experience to everyone around the world via the web. So I'd like to share with you the story of why we're doing this. Now, my friend here, Yuji, he went to Startup Weekend in Kyoto, and he had such a great time that he decided to go again. But he had to come and fly all the way here to the Philippines from Kyoto, Japan, just to attend. So imagine the cost, the time, and the effort to do all that. So in that, we saw a problem that we can provide a solution to. So we decided first to find out why people, all of you, come here to Startup Weekend online. Startup Weekend. First, people have an idea that they want or need help doing. Second, some people have skills and they want to work with other people on an interesting idea. Third, people want to network. They want to connect with other people that can help them now or in the future. Fourth, people want to learn business and startup skills. And fifth, most important, people want to have a fun, exciting experience. So our mission is to bring the fun, the excitement, the connections, the collaboration to the whole world via the internet. So no matter where you are, no matter how old you are, no matter what you're doing, you can experience the Startup Weekend online. And we're going to do that by providing a set of services that will recreate the experience. First off is our initial product we call the Pitch. It's an online audio or visual uploading service which will let people upload their pitches like this and get real-time feedback, comments, and we'll let them develop their pitching skills, their product, their idea. Here's a live demo of our concept, and we tested this on real customers who are all in this room, and we found that they also have the same fun experience, even the online version. We also found that there was less stress, less tension, and they were able to concentrate better and deliver their pitch better. But we also learned that they do want the live feedback from the audience. So we integrated a chat overlay which shows the comments as it comes in the parts of the video. It also shows you what parts of the video piques interest or does not pique interest in the pitch, so they know where they can improve it. So what's after this? So after this, we plan to develop a team building application which will allow people to come together and form their groups. And then we'll have the online collaboration tool which will basically emulate what we've been doing here these past 2 days. And in the end, we'll have a complete solution, a complete Startup Weekend online experience. Now, some revenue models we thought of for this. For the pitch, we can do advertising. For team building, subscription model. For the collaboration tool, freemium, and once everything's complete, the ticketing event model. But right now, we can do the pitch. Now, this is our team, Yuji, Jose, Joe, and I'm Andre. And I'll see everybody next time at Startup Weekend Online. Thank you.
Next up is Imagine.